Difference between install with settings and install framework only. OxyMade offers two types of installation. First one, install with settings. It installs OxyMade Framework and our Oxygen default settings. We recommend this installation. And second one, install framework only. As its name suggests, it will only install OxyMade Framework. Let's go with the first method. Click on Install with Settings. It successfully installed and added Megaset as a default base design set. Let's open the Oxygen Builder and check what changes have been made. Click on Pages. Open any page as Edit with Oxygen. Click on Settings under Manage Options. Click on Global Styles. Now open Headings. You can see, OxyMade added CSS variable font sizes, font weights and line heights. Let's go back and check other settings. Open Body Text. Here also, text size, line height and color variables were added. Let's open Links. Click on All. Same here. Let's go back and open Width and Breakpoints. Here page width was updated from 1120 pixels to 1168 pixels. Now open Section and Columns. Here paddings are updated from 20 pixels to 2.4 rem. And sections top-bottom paddings changed from 75 pixels to 120 pixels in min-max calc format. These are our default settings. We designed our blocks and templates with these settings. Let's check the framework now. Click on Style Sheet under Manage Options. Open OxyMade Framework folder toggle and select Framework Style Sheet. Here is the beautifully written style sheet. And we have written the hover style sheet separately. Click and open Hover Effect Style Sheet. Let's go back and check Framework Classes. Click on Selectors under Manage Options. Open OxyMade Framework Toggle. These are more than 800 framework classes. Here we have separated hover classes into another folder. These are the default hover classes, but we can get more hover effects using Hover Panel. Now we are done. We have covered all settings, framework style sheet, and classes. And what if you installed framework only, and then later want to install settings as well? For that, let's rewind. This time, click on Install Framework Only. Now only framework was installed. To install our default settings, click on Install Settings. You can read, all the current Oxygen global settings you have will be erased. If you are okay with it, then click on Install Oxygen Settings. Now we have successfully installed. Thank you for watching.